Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and I've got my slow cooker out today, guys. I'm going to make a pepper steak in the slow cooker. So delicious and super easy. I've got all my ingredients here on my counter. I'm just going to go over them with you as I make it, but the full recipe will be in the description box below. But let's get started, guys, because it's that time to get cooking. All right, guys, so what I have here is about 1.5 pounds of thinly sliced shoulder roast. Now you can use any kind of beef that you like, whether it's a round steak, sirloin steak, just whatever you get, just thinly slice it against the grain. Then I have 2 bell peppers that I have sliced and 1 large onion that I have sliced. All right, I'm going to mince 2 garlic cloves, 2 cups of beef broth, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger and garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. All right, then I'm just going to give a good pinch of salt. All right, so stir this all together. Cover and cook on high for 4 to 6 hours. So it has been 4 hours, and I'm going to give it a stir. Then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And I'm making a cornstarch slurry, which will thicken the sauce. So I'm just going to pour it in. And then I'm going to give it another stir and cover it for maybe just about 10 minutes, just until the sauce thickens. And there you have it. Look at this delicious pepper steak. So the pepper steak is all done, and it looks and smells delicious, guys. Now I'm going to serve it over some white rice. Oh yeah, this is going to be yummy. That steak is so tender and full of flavor. All right, guys, well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.